LV-01, Bearing Clearance Explained English Script, 50 seconds. What does C3 bearing clearance actually mean? In bearings, clearance means the small internal gap between the rolling elements and bearing rings. This gap is extremely important. When machines run at high speed, heat causes the shaft and bearing to expand. If clearance is too small, friction increases, temperature rises, bearing life decreases. That is why engineers use C2 clearance, normal clearance, C3 clearance, and C4 clearance. C3 bearings have more internal clearance than normal bearings. They are commonly used in electric motors, pumps, and gearboxes, high-temperature machinery. Simple engineering rule: more heat usually needs more clearance. Trusted manufacturers like SKF, NSK, and Timken Company provide different clearance classes for industrial applications. Follow for more practical engineering videos. If you found this video useful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell icon to receive future engineering-related updates.